Hi there, students. Ill-judged. Okay, this is an adjective. It means imprudent, unwise, misguided, inadvisable, rash, foolish. So, I decided to jump across the stream, a small river, but it was very ill-judged. My ill-judged decision to jump across the stream. So if it's ill-judged, how do you think it ended up? Well, it ended up with probably me falling in the water or me hurting myself. So badly judged, unwise, rash. This was a very ill-judged decision. It was a mistake. If you say something is ill-judged, it's a mistake. It's something that results in disaster. I made some ill-judged comments about my wife's cooking, and it ended up in an argument. Rash, short-sighted, ill-advised, ill-considered, injudicious, foolish, just downright stupid. So I think Brexit was a very ill-judged move. I think even to have the vote was an ill-judged idea. I think the government thought that they would win the vote without any problem. But if something's ill-judged, it's it hasn't been thought about carefully. It lacks enough careful consideration. It's a downright mistake. So it's badly judged, showing poor judgment, poor thinking. In an ill-judged attempt to become rich, he used all of his money to start a snow company in Greenland. So ill-judged. This is something that you didn't think about it properly. It's not appropriate for the particular situation. So I was very bad-tempered the other day with my boss, and I made a few ill-judged comments, and I ended up losing my job. So something ill-judged is showing poor judgment. Is poor thinking. Is not doing the wrong thing at the wrong time. This is ill-judged. This is where you put your foot in it. This would be a very ill-judged move at the present moment in time. It's foolish, it's thoughtless, it's not doing the right thing. This was an ill-judged enterprise. My ill-judged words were very costly. The ill-judged appointment of a new manager for the football team. This was a very ill-judged concept, or an ill-judged idea. So notice this ill is saying badly done wrongly. This turned out to be a very ill-judged strategy. It's not the right strategy. Ill-judged remarks. I'm very good at ill-judged remarks. Ill-judged remarks is saying the wrong thing at the wrong time. Maybe ill-judged enthusiasm for something that later turns out to be a total disaster. So ill-judged, it's just not wise, it's rash, it's not a good idea, it's not very prudent, it's a bit foolhardy, impulsive. You ought to have thought about it more. So ill-judged, ill in this case badly, it's not that you're ill, no, it's badly judged, wrongly judged. It's a bad judgment, a bad decision. Ill-judged, formality. This was an ill-judged decision. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ill judged.